All right, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to make your brown eyes pop. I've seen so many tutorials about green eyes, blue eyes, the blah, blah, blah. But when it comes to brown eyes, it's only like you need to use purple eyeshadow. And, like if I hear one more person saying that, I'm going to go insane. We don't want to wear purple eyeshadow every day or not at all. Anyways, I'm going to share all of my tips and tricks, so let's go. First, you need a palette or two or three with different types of undertones. You need warm undertones, we need cool undertones. Cool undertones have like a hint of green, olive kind of undertone to them, color to them, pigment to them. And the warm undertones, like you really don't want to use a very, very warm eyeshadow like orange. Like try to go for neutral types of browns, different kind of colors, different types of undertones that you can mix. Really help for me is when I stand in daylight and when I grab a mirror and I look really deep into my eyes, I can see a hint of green, a hint of light brown, and maybe even like a hint of gray. And I'm going to try to enhance that by using colors that have like a hint of those colors in it. This makes no sense, this explanation, but remember, English is not my first language, but I hope you get the point. As you can see, I am mixing different colors. So there's no really like one way to do this. I'm just gonna go whatever feels right. Neutrals. So remember what I said, not too warm, not too gray, not too cold, but like a perfect mix between them. And since I don't have a very defined crease, I like to define it a little bit more. But what's also really important is to diffuse everything that you do, and I'm going to explain why. I don't know if this makes sense, but once everything is diffused, nothing is really like everything looks abstract, if that makes sense. There's no harsh lines, whatever. The only harsh thing that you can see, especially when you have brown eyes, is going to be your iris because it's dark. It has like it's not diffused. It has like a solid. It's round. It's circle. It has borders, if you know what I mean. So that is going to be the main thing that's going to stand out. If you're going to do like harsh eyeliner, whether it's brown or black, which is also like great, it's going to look beautiful. But when we're talking about the color or like the iris itself, it is best to diffuse everything in the background so the eye really, really stands out. This is optional. I do love to enhance my waterline a little bit so it gives that kind of like intense look. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can already see the color of my eye kind of like changing, leaning more towards the light brown, a little bit towards the green. And again, I'm just mixing warm and cool undertones. I'm cheating a tiny, tiny bit, but I honestly didn't know that this had a purple hint to it. But I loved it, not because it's purple. I didn't use this on purpose, but this is a stick from Bobbi Brown. I will link the color and the exact thing in the description box below. But I use it a little bit on the center of my eye just to give it a little spark, a little twinkle twinkle. This brown mascara from YSL, it has the perfect brown color to it. Sometimes when I used brown mascara before and it looked a little meh, like light black, didn't really do anything. But I don't know, I think I will show you guys a close up. This one really made my eyes pop. I loved it so much. Look at that. You guys can see that? So beautiful. It's going to be like also great if you have green eyes, but it's our turn, okay, for a second. And this is just what I do to enhance my brown eyes. So just play with warmer, cooler colors and top it up with a brown mascara, and you're good to go. Bye.